Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now we are discussing discovery of proton. In 1886, Eugen Goldstein used a discharge tube with a hole in the cathode. Thomson observed that the rays consist of positively charged particles named as positive rays. These positively charged rays are named as positive rays. The rays are also known as canal rays or anode rays. The diagram of this cathode tube is like this, in which there is a hole. This is the anode. This is fluorescent screen. This is the cathode, and the positively charged particles are moving randomly in the cathode tube, and out of this, here some of the particles are collide with each other and only some of these are passed through this hole. Now, some of the characteristics exhibited by positive rays are also: these rays travel in a straight line and cast a shadow of object placed in their path. They possess mass many times the mass of an electron. Like cathode rays, these rays are also rotate the wheel placed in the path. Thus, these also possess kinetic energy. The cathode rays flashes or light on zinc sulfate screen. This is a zinc sulfate screen on which the cathode rays are flashed. The rays are deflected by electric and magnetic field in direction opposite to that the cathode rays. They move in opposite direction to the cathode rays. The specific charge E by m of particle rays was found to be vary with the nature of gas, and the maximum is hydrogen is placed. If the hydrogen gas is placed in the tube, then the E by m value will be maximum. Thus, the subatomic particle, that means fundamental constitute of all matter, having a mass 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg and charge plus, because these are positively charged particles, so the charge is positive 1.602 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb, which is called a proton. The particles which are carrying this charge is known as proton. Now, discovery of neutrons. We have discussed discovery of electron, discovery of proton, now discovery of neutrons. The scientist Chadwick in 1932 bombarded beryllium-boron sheet with high-speed alpha particles. What are the two metals? Beryllium plus boron. Boron sheets are bombarded in an alpha particles, and notice that the emission of neutral particle, that means neutrons of mass nearly equal to the proton and with no charge. They have similar and nearly equal charge to proton, but there is no kind of charge there. So we can explain on the basis of diagram. This is an beryllium sheet. These are the neutrons, and they are detected in charge detector, which is shown as this. Neutrons having mass 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg and no net charge, there is no net charge on this value, and usually it is represented as N10. So beryllium 9, 4, helium 4 and 2 gives carbon 12, atomic number is 6 and neutron 1, 0. So in this reaction we are getting neutron. So I hope you understand both the topics, and if there is any problem you can also comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video.